Are you tired of looking at a dull and dingy house every time you come home? Want to boost your home's curb appeal and make it the envy of the neighbourhood? Look no further than washing the exterior of your house. We understand that the exterior of the house wash might not be at the top of your home maintenance list to do, but it should be. Over time, dirt, mould, grime and other contaminants accumulate on the exterior of your home, making it look old, worn out and uninviting. Not only that, but it can also be a health hazard, as it can lead to the growth of mold and mildew, which can cause respiratory issues for you and your family. But with our professional house washing services, you can say goodbye to all of these issues. We use the top of the line equipment and industry approved cleaning agents to wash away all the dirt and grime from your house, leaving it looking good as new. Our services are not only quick and efficient, but they also are affordable, making it easy for you to give your home the care it deserves. And the benefits don't just stop there at the appearance of your home. Regular house washing can also help extend the life of your home exterior surfaces, saving you money in the long run by avoiding costly repairs or replacements. Plus, if you're looking to sell your home, a clean and well-maintained exterior can increase its resale value and help it sell faster. Don't wait any longer to give your home the makeover it deserves. Contact us today for a scheduled professional exterior house wash and experience the difference it can make for your home and your family.